said we were gifted a set of clothing. And I hand washed that, and there was a red border on His Majesty, then His Majesty's suit. And I hung it to dry, and when I came back several hours later, the red had bled down.
I was very sad.
It is a beautiful tunic. Upon hearing this, the Creator just made us another set. Like, just made us warm. And it is this kind of generosity that stands out in the Midwest. Like, we didn't ask for another set. I was willing to repair it. And they just, here, have more clothing. With washing instructions.
It's very important. It's very important washing instructions.
But that kind of generosity is something you see here in the SDA from the people in this community. She inspired me so much.
Fionna Goodburne MacNichol, or someone to accept for her. Proclaim that we, Wakevain, King and Neasa, our queen, send heartfelt greetings. Know that it is one of the pleasures of the crown to recognize individuals who exhibit great courtesy, grace, and honor to people of all ranks. Therefore, we are minded to make unto Fionna the award of the Sapphire.
Ooh.